In this problem, we're going to use Descartes' rule of signs to determine the possible number of positive and negative real zeros. Let's start with the positive real zeros. So to do the positive real zeros, you look at f of x, you look at this one. And then you just start by counting sign changes. So let's look at sign changes. So if we go from negative to positive, that's a sign change. I'm going to put a 1 there. Go from positive to negative, that's a sign change. So I'll put a 1 here. And then go from negative to positive, that's a sign change. So I'll put a 1 there. So we have three sign changes. So we have 3 sign changes. And so Descartes' rule of signs says the following. If you have 3 sign changes, then the number of possible positive real zeros is 3. So you have 3 positive real zeros. Or, so you have 3 or 3 minus an even number. So 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1, right? You can't subtract 4 because it'd be negative. So 3 minus a positive even number. So that means we have 3 or 1 positive real zeros. Let's do negative real zeros now. So negative real zeros. So to do negative real zeros, you do exactly the same thing. You count sign changes and then write that number down and subtract 2, except you don't do it with f of x. You do it with f of negative x. So let's go ahead and work that out. F of negative x is equal to, so now we're just going to put a negative in for the x. So it'll be negative 2, and then this will be negative x cubed plus, and then negative x squared minus negative x, a little bit tricky there, right? It's already a minus, plus 7. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. You see, this 3 here, because it's cubed, the negative is going to come out. It's going to stay. But the negative and negative is positive. So this will become positive. Likewise, this one will go away because it's squared, so it's positive. That's a 3 there, by the way. And then positive, and then 7. So they're all positive. So there's no sign change. So no sign changes. So there are no negative real zeros. So no negative real zeros in this problem. I hope this video has been helpful. Good luck.